Okay guys, I made this bread using unripe plantain. I never knew it was going to come out perfect like this. And guess what? It tastes amazing. No different with bread. If you're interested on this video, watch it to the end and help me to share it. So I'm starting up with 2 unripe plantain. I'm just going to peel it off and then put it in the blender and blend it smoothly. So guys, on my previous video, I made a video on how to make bread with unripe plantain. But some people in the comment section was like telling me their diabetes, how can them achieve this with unripe plantain? So I am here to make another video for you guys. Watch it to the end because you are going to like it. And please help me to share this video if you find it interesting. So once I'm done peeling the plantain, I'm going to chop it into smaller sizes like this. And then next, I'm going to put it in the blender. Honestly, this is a good option for diabetes patients, and most especially if you love to eat bread. So next, I added 3 eggs. I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I added dates. But the date is optional. If you don't have dates at home, you can use like condensed milk. Just add little of it just to give the bread a little taste. And then cover it and blend it. So we are not adding water on this. The eggs serve as water. So blend it until it becomes very smooth. This is so easy to make. You can make this in the comfort of your own home once you have blender. So once I'm done blending it, I'm going to be using baking paper like this. And then I'm just going to put it in the pan. If you don't have baking paper, just apply butter on your pan. And then that is it. So once I'm done with the baking paper, next I'm going to transfer my mixture into the baking pan. This is very easy to do. Like, if you can do this, there's no need of you buying bread in the market. So I'll just put it all in the baking pan and then I'm going to bake it. I bake it for about 15 minutes and then that is it. So next, I'm just going to heat it a little bit on the table just to adjust it. And then I'm going to be spraying cane seed on it. You can use nuts or whichever thing you have at home that will make it come out nice. And then I'm just going to put it in the oven. I baked it for 15 minutes. Guys, take a look at this. It really came out nice. Like, I never expected this to be like this. This was just so perfect. My kids, everybody love it. Even my daughter that is so selective, when I gave her the bread, she was like, Mommy, this is the type of bread I want to be eating. Guys, take a look at this. This is really beautiful. Oh my goodness. Honestly, this is really good options for diabetes patients, people that are diabetes but they still love to eat bread. Try this recipe, you are going to love it. Guys, take a look at this bread. Oh my goodness. When I was cutting it, I was like, can this be real? If you don't tell someone this is plantain, they will not believe. Take a look at it. It looked like bread, guys. So I decided to add butter on it just to try it. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. It really tastes nice. No different with bread. One would think I am eating bread, but this is not bread. Honestly, I couldn't hold my excitement on this. This is good. Try it. You will like it. You will love it. Oh my God. I've never tasted anything nice like this. If I can make my own bread using unripe plantain, so why am I eating flour? Why am I still eating flour? Oh my goodness. Exact like bread. No difference with bread. Try it, guys. You will love it. Try it.